Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now you will see the cable connected to the motor. Take a moment to inspect the cable for any visible damage. If you notice fraying or breaks, it's time to replace it. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable close to the motor connection. Before proceeding, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation and provide guidance. Once the old cable is removed, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. You will need to connect these wires to the motor. Make sure to match the colors correctly. Typically, the live wire is brown, the neutral is blue, and the earth wire is green-yellow. Twist the wires together securely and use electrical tape to insulate the connections. This is crucial to prevent any electrical hazards. After securing the connections, gently tuck the wires back into the casing. Now it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once the cover is back in place, plug your Dyson HD01 back into the power source and test the new cable. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the cable. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, replacing the cable on your Dyson HD01 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. Happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.